The new pocket ball pens are compact and designed to travel with you. They're offered in a range of options and materials so you can find the one that's perfect for your needs. Hi, Kevin here. After the very exciting success of our EDC project here on Kickstarter last year, I'm excited to offer this new pen that's very convenient to deploy and use. I had a lot of fun during the development of this pen and explored numerous options and decided on the bolt action mechanism. This simple mechanism is extremely strong and robust. All components are made from solid metal. The internal moving bolt is spring operated and carries the ink refill. With the thumb stud, you can quickly move the bolt into the open and closed positions. As I developed this bolt action mechanism for a pen that would go in your pocket, I quickly realized it needed a way to lock closed, so it wouldn't accidentally open and write on your clothing or bag. With this need, I developed the auto locking feature that automatically forces the bolt into the lock position when you close the pen. This innovative feature really makes these pens unique and fun to use. I've created 3 versions of the pocket bolt pens. First is the simple pocket version that was designed to be carried in your bag or pocket and utilizes the auto locking feature. Second is the keychain version that is the same as the pocket version but adds an integrated split ring and simple screw feature that allows you to attach the pen to your key ring or bag, then easily remove it. This way you will always know where to find your pen. And third is the unique clip version. This design doesn't offer a locking feature, but it provides the ability to quickly and easily clip the pen to notebooks or pockets. To add even more functionality, you can also have your pen laser engraved with both millimeter and inch measurement scales. All of the pocket bolt pens use a standard D1 refill. The pens will come with the Auto brand refill installed, but you can use any of the readily available D1 refills. Simply unscrew the tip to replace the refill. A rubber O-ring ensures the tip stays in place. As you can see, I have the designs completed and ready to be produced. I've made the big plunge and already purchased a high-precision CNC lathe to make these pens. This way I have control over the quality and speed of production. Now I really need your support to make this project happen and to get the rest of the tooling and raw materials needed to start production. I really hope you love these pens and will help to make them a reality. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks a lot for watching and sharing with your friends.
Imagine if you could put the power of a samurai sword in your pocket. We use the same feathered Damascus steel that is used to create the sharpest samurai swords in the world. This means Omni stays up to 5 times sharper than normal steel blade knives. Pretty great, right? Omni, with you for a lifetime. In our daily life,
we are surrounded by portable devices. What do they have in common? They all die when we most need them. These are some of the devices we carry around. These are the cables we need to charge them. And these are the cables we remember to take with us. Okay, let's start over. These are some of the devices we carry around. And this is the cable you need to charge them. Yes, all of them. Introducing InCharge 6. InCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, InCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? InCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make InCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. InCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. Okay, maybe that was too much. InCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your InCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.